Hello, I'm back. I didn't feel like I got a good enough of a workout, so I'm just going to do another lesson. I'm going to leave it just one below full blast so I don't blow my speakers. We're in the basics. We're starting over, refresher. It's a new year. See how far we can go with this Duolingo. Maybe 1,000 days.
Le cheval.
Le cheval. Oh, I need it full blast. Le cheval is the dog. When you think you're advanced in beginner level, you're not. Le cheval is the horse.
Le chien.
Le chien is the dog, right? Right? Maybe I skipped these as a newer newbie. I thought I was an advanced newbie by now, but yeah. Chien.
Chien.
Chien. Say that again?
Chien.
Chien. Alright, bring it.
C'est un chat.
C'est un chat. Wow, that sounded like a real person. C'est un chat. So, it's a cat. C'est un chien.
Tu es Paul.
Tu es Paul. You are Paul. Or are you Paul? It should be, right?
Tu es Marie.
Tu es Marie. Tu es Marie.
Marie.
Type what you hear.
Tu es Alice.
Tu es Alice. Hey, they did a liaison?
Tu es Alice.
Tu es Alice. So, you are Alice. You know what? I think it's because they got a capital A on that. Are you Alice? Messing with me. What?
Tu.
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 Tu. I have no tu. You, right? Tu.
Tu.
I think that's it. Sound like Mandarin for a second.
C'est un cheval.
C'est un cheval. So it's a horse. I learned that one the hard way. Suffering.
C'est.
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 It is. I think.
C'est un chien.
C'est un chien. It's a dog. Chien is dog.
Chien.
Horse, cheval.
Cheval.
Un.
Un.
Je.
Je.
Garçon.
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 Tu es un cheval.
I don't know when I'm going to use that, but you got to be careful with that. Tu es un cheval, so are you a horse? Don't want to practice with a native on that. Tu es un chat? Tu es un chat? It's a cat. C'est un chat.
Chat.
C'est un chat.
Le cheval.
Le cheval, the horse. Oh, that was it? Wow, okay. We're going to keep going. I don't know. It feels like it's a little bit too fast just to have it a couple minutes. I like it around 5 to 10 minutes, these little spurts of French. All right, let's continue with the basics. We got to get to the crown. Oh, how do you add friends on Duolingo? How do I start this thing? Let's climb the ladder. Maybe we'll get like first place from doing all the easy lessons. We'll be like an intermediate by a week.
La pizza.
La pizza. That's like English. La pizza.
Le croissant.
Le croissant. Okay then.
C'est un croissant.
C'est un croissant. It's a croissant. All right.
L'orange.
L'orange. I know what that means. Oh.
Marie mange.
Marie mange. Okay, this is where I gotta start watching the mange and the mange with the S. I get confused. So Marie is eating. Marie mange.
Un chat mange un croissant.
Un chat mange.
Mange.
Un
Un
croissant.
croissant.
Okay. I think that's right, yeah. Feeling good.
Tu manges une pizza.
Tu manges une pizza. So, you are eating a pizza. Tu manges une pizza. En chat, mange.
Mange.
These are fun.
Une pizza.
Une pizza. A pizza. Un homme.
Mange.
On hamburger. Hamburger. I want to hear it, man. How do you say that? Un homme mange en hamburger. Hamburger.
C'est une orange.
C'est une orange. So, it's an orange. C'est une orange.
Un.
En. Ant?
Un.
Oh, sounds the same to me. Bring it.
C'est une pizza.
C'est une pizza. So it's a pizza. You are eating a pizza. Tu manges.
Mange.
Oh, ho, ho, ho. Wait. Tu manges. Why is there an S on there? Tu manges une pizza.
Une pizza.
You guys know why there's an S on there? Cause I think it's because the pizza is plural. More than one ingredient? I don't know. You are eating a croissant. So, tu manges. With an S. Un croissant.
Croissant.
Un croissant. Tu manges un croissant. Da-da. Da-da. Was that 2 lessons? I can't even remember. Well, that was fun. I think I'll do another one. Oh, good. I like those kind of ads that are not intrusive. I think that's it for this video. I can't remember. 30 XP, so I did... No, I'll do one more lesson. Yeah, we'll do one more lesson. Gotta get that crown at the end of this lesson, man. So start... Whoa, 20 XP. Is this a hard? Ready to level up past this challenge, covering all levels 0 to prove it. Can we get out of the 0 zone? Diving into the beginner level. Let's review the exercise you missed. All right, bring it on.
Le cheval.
Le cheval. That's the horse. Remember that one. Mistakes are good because they help you learn. You just don't want to do it again. Hardest. All right, let's do the hardest ones from level
Une femme
2.
mange.
Une femme mange. So a woman is eating. Oh yeah.
Tu es un chat.
Tu es un chat.
Chat.
You are a cat.
Une fille mange un croissant.
Une fille mange un croissant. So a girl is eating a croissant. Wow, that's like the longest sentence yet.
Une femme mange une orange.
Une femme.
Femme.
Uh-oh. Is it mange or mange with an S? Une femme mange une orange. It's an orange. I don't know. Let's just try.
Mange. Une orange.
Oh, good. I don't know how.
Tu es un chien.
Tu es un chien?
Tu es un chien.
You gonna say that to me? Are you talking to me? Are you a dog? Are you a dog? Guess it's good to know that if someone tries to say that to you, right?
Un chat mange un croissant.
Un
Un
chat
chat mange
un croissant.
un croissant.
Un chat mange un croissant. I've never seen that before.
Paul mange un croissant.
Paul mange un croissant. So Paul is eating a croissant. Good boy, Paul.
Un homme mange.
Un homme
Homme
mange.
mange.
Whoa. Calm down,
Mange.
man.
Mange.
We don't want the S yet. We don't know what he's eating, right? Un garçon et un chat.
Chat.
Tu manges une pizza. Pizza has the S on it because there's more than one ingredient. I'm guessing. I don't know why, but tu manges une pizza? It's plural. I need a grammar book or something. Lesson complete. Bulking up our language muscles in our brain. We'll have the big thick vein by the end of this week in our forehead. I don't want to remove the ads yet. It's not too intrusive. Alrighty, I guess that's it for this video. I'm not going to watch any more ads. We're going to do it the hard way. Sweat and blood in the brain flowing as we train to learn French. Alright, see you guys next time.